Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to build a recipe system in FactoryTalk Optix using OPC UA to connect PLC. Let's get started. We use SCADA PLC control expert to do this job. Okay, and using EcoStructure OPC UA. Okay, export. First, we create new project in the FactoryTalk Optix. Test. Okay. First, we connection PLC in here and okay. That's it. Then is all the PLC variable is connection to the Optix. We create new panel. Okay. Recipe. Okay. First, if you want to use a recipe, you have to use database. Okay, first we create a database, is embedded database. Okay, then create a recipe schema. Okay, so if you want to communication, recipe and the database should be connection. Okay, this database, go to the store. Okay, then we go to module, create a new module. It's component. Components. Okay, first is the in this object components we should create 3 variable. First one is water, second one is acid. Okay, third one is base, is compare with this one. Okay, this recipe we use this one. PLC is base, with acid is water. Okay, then go to water, connect here, connection PLC. We go to OPC UA. Is first one is water. Okay, water is the second is acid, third one is base, okay. Now is the connection. So we create a recipe panel in here, double click in here. Okay, then we go to library, then go to, we can type in recipe. We can find this recipe edit. Okay, drag and drop in here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Then the recipe in here. Recipe schema. We show the recipe schema. In here, recipe schema. Oh, sorry. First, this one. Recipe schema in here. We show the collection. That's it. Okay, we can horizontal stretch is the vertical. Okay, stretch all the same sides. Okay, that's it. Okay, then we go to here panel setup, exactly setup. Okay. Oh, sorry. First, okay, I forget. In here, target nodes should be is components. Okay, go to here. Now here, look, what I see the base is coming is components. We choose this one. Apply. Then go to panel. Setup. Okay, in here, what I see base is coming out. Okay, then go to the main screen. New navigation panel. Okay. Stretch. Okay. Now this recipe panel. Drag and drop this screen. Okay, that's it. Save. Start try simulation. Okay. Look, we can open PLC. Start. You can see in here we can see is one recipe. First one we save is about 111. Okay. Oh, one. First one is 111. Oh, sorry. Here should be the end. Okay, 11. 22. 3. Okay, save. Look, save is applied. Look here, 11, 22, 33. Okay. 1. Second one is 2. Here we can use 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Save. Look, save. Look, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Third one, 3. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6. Save. Apply. Look, then 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we can change is 1. Okay. Apply. Look, here is coming. We can change 2. Apply. 1, 2, 3. There's 2. We can change 3. That's it. Okay. Today I just show you how to connection. PLC use OPC UA and the recipe. Okay, it's very useful in this side. Okay, thank you very much.